Welcome back, student. Now this is the account part 9. Now today we will learn about the new topics: interest on loan. This may be of two types. First, loan given by partner to the firm. And second, loan taken by partners from the firm. In this case, firm will pay interest to the partners, and in this case firm will receive the interest from the partners. Now, if in the partnership act interest on loan is defined as a 6%, but this 6% will be applicable if there is no any agreement about the interest. So firm will charge here, firm will pay 6% per annum interest on loan. But here the interest will be paid according to the partnership deed. So, one case may be loan given by partner to the firm. Here firm will pay interest to the partners and it is the expenses for the firm, and firm will record it in PL account debit side. If in the deed interest rate is not given, then the firm will pay 6% per annum interest on loan according to partnership act. In this case, loan taken by partner from the firm. So firm will receive the interest from the partner and this is the income for the firm. So this will be recorded in PL account credit side, and interest will be received according to the partnership deed, whatever the rate will be agreed between the partner and firm. How you will make the account recording? for due, here interest on loan account debit to partners loan account, and for closure profit and loss account debit to interest on loan account. So here interest amount you will add in the balance sheet liability side in the partner's loan account, and this interest you will transfer in PL account debit side to interest on loan. In this case, for due, partners capital account debit to interest on loan, and for closure interest on loan account debit to profit and loss account. So in this case, interest will record partners capital account debit side to interest on loan, and profit and loss account credit side by interest on loan. Thank you, students.